Hey everyone, today let's learn data transformation using ETL tool. Here we will see how to calculate the age and based on it we will categorize it into different age groups and push the final data to PostgreSQL database. As we progress we will see what is ETL and an introduction to one of the ETL tool namely Alteryx, and we shall wind up with the demo. Now let's see what is ETL. The abbreviation of ETL is extract, transform and load. It is a process that involves extracting data from sources, validating and transforming the data before loading it into a target data store. It is especially useful when there is no consistency in the data coming from the source systems, which requires you to standardize all the data coming in before loading it into a database. Alteryx. Alteryx is a visual workflow tool that combines ETL capabilities. It allows you to rapidly access and transform multiple databases to provide geographic business intelligence in support of sales and marketing. You can configure the tools by clicking and dragging the tool into the document space. You can link tools by clicking output arrows on one tool and dragging it to the input arrows on another tool. Now quickly let's move on to the demo. This is Alteryx. You can see many tools here. Let's start with the input data, using which we can load our input file. Let's select an data file. These are all the supported file types. Select file. I have an sample data here. Okay. This has some names and some random date of birth. To calculate the age, we need to subtract the present date and the date of birth. To do this, we need the formula tool. Let's select the output column, add column. I'll name it as age. We'll give the expression or the formula here. To subtract two dates, we have a function called dateTimeDiff. This is the date 1, date 2 and the unit. Date 1 is the present date, that is date time today. This returns the present date. Date 2 is the date from our date of birth column. And the unit is the years. This is the formula to calculate the age from date of birth, and the output is int. Now let's run this. Okay, it has created the age column and have calculated the age depending on the date of birth. Now to categorize the age group depending on the age, we need to write another formula. Let's take the formula tool. Let's give the output column as age group. We'll use else if ladder to find age group. I have a formula to categorize the age group. If the age ranges from 0 to 10, then he is a child. If the age is between 10 and 20, then he is a teen. If the age is greater than 20 and less than 60, then he is an adult. If the age is greater than 60, then he is a senior citizen. This is the total formula to categorize the age group. The data type is the string. Now let's run this. Okay. You all can see that it has been created. Age 40 is an adult. If the age is 10, then he is a child. If the age is 1, then he is a child. If the age is 19, then he is a teen. If the age is 73, then he is a senior. Yeah, according to our condition, it's right. Now let's push this data to our PostgreSQL database. For this, we'll take an output data. We'll connect to this. We need to select the database here. Data source. Here you can see all the database. We'll use the PostgreSQL database. Yeah. Initially, we'll be having none here. You need to download and install the PostgreSQL ODBC driver. Click on ODBC admin. Here you need to click add. Then after installing, you will get your PostgreSQL here. Click it and then click finish. As you can see, it will appear here. Then you need to click OK. You need to provide your username and password. You need to name the table here. Let's name the table as age group. Okay. Now you can see that it has been appeared here. Now you need to run this. Yeah, you can see that it has been finished successfully. Click OK. Now you can check your database. You will be getting the same data in your database. Let's check our PostgreSQL database. Let's query our database. We had named the table as age group. Now let's run this. You can see that the complete data has been inserted into our database. Thank you for watching. For more details, you can check out my GitHub repository. The link is provided in the description below.